Welcome to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, as Dallas and I are here to announce our next big move, biggest move we've ever made for Revival Today. Behind me is a building that will look nothing like it looks right now when we finish. We're on just under 5 acres of property that we've just finished purchasing, which is going to give us the ability to have a state-of-the-art studio. And in that studio, something I've wanted to have for a long time, which is a live studio audience. It's going to be a 500-seat building when we finish with it that'll give us the ability to touch the world with our broadcasts. This facility is going to give me the ability to do what I've really missed, which is having you in the audience to minister to personally. Obviously, you can't beat the reach of digital media. We touch the whole world every day, but we have the ability now with this to lay hands on people, pray for people that are sick, a place where you can bring people that are drug addicted, demonized, and really give them the ministry that you can't get on YouTube and Facebook. I can't wait. And then beyond that, we're going to announce the launch of Revival Today Church. We're going to hold Holy Ghost church services every Sunday morning. I'll be there most Sunday mornings. This isn't going to be like some little side project. We're going to give you and your family a place you can go that's a soul-winning church that values the presence of God, where you can get prayed for and ministered to, where there's not a critical race theory lecture or a masks and social distancing 10 minutes of no talking to anybody in the lobby. None of that. We're going to have a place where you're free and where you're free to experience the presence of God.
I'm incredibly excited because I know a lot of you have been asking about different meetings and events that we couldn't have during COVID, and trust me, we tried so hard. So this really frees us up to do everything that we want to do with healing meetings and women's conferences. So I am so looking forward to seeing you and having you be a part of this.
So I want to give you a twofold call to action. Number one, if your church turned in to a liberal nightmare in 2020 and you need a place to go, I would be happy to have you at our church. Number two, if you are a partner or a friend of our ministry, Revival Today, this is the biggest move by far we've ever made. By the time we finish remodeling that building, the acquiring of the property, you're looking at a couple of M's. So if you would stand with us now, I'll say thank you ahead of time. Pray and ask the Holy Ghost what He would have you to do. You've been so generous, and I thank you ahead of time for your extreme generosity. I know I speak on behalf of my wife, everybody here at Revival Today, when I say we love you very much. And now I can say I look forward to seeing you face to face here at the new home of Revival Today.
Hey. Crypto Island, I'm just trying to make it. I'm a crypto island, trying to make it. I'm a crypto island.
Very good.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Check the Market. Today, Thursday. What is it, October 28th? Somewhere around there. How's everybody doing? Markets are already open. Let's see what's going on here. Refresh this. Sandra, good morning. Ninja Buddha. Johnny Odell. Christophoris, good morning to you. Michael Frost, David, good morning to you. Wilson, yes, there is nothing like the smell of synth music and financial advice in the morning.
Crypto Island, Crypto Island. I'm just trying to make it. I'm a Crypto Island, trying to make it. I'm a Crypto Island.
Got our favorite island boys. We should have that as the background music the entire time. Island Boy coin? It's going to cruise. Shiba, yes. Shiba's still cruising. Let's actually take a look at cryptocurrencies. Before we take a look at the market, because we all know cryptocurrencies are better than stocks. Bitcoin back up 61.7, Ethereum 4,200. Tether is still at $1 for some reason. It hasn't moved. It's always at $1. It's weird. Cardano $2, XRP 106. Shiba up another 29% to 0.00007672. Let's get it to $10, everybody. SHIB is Shiba Inu. It's a cryptocurrency. Charles, good morning. Michael says everyone is on the SHIB train, but good old-fashioned SafeMoon is up 225% this month. But Stephanie is still down 1,876% on SafeMoon, so it's a while until her investment recovers. What are we investing $1,000 into today? That's a good question. DWAC? Possibly. Markets are up slightly, even though the news this morning wasn't so good with the economy in decline. Growth only at 2%. DWAC up 10% today. Looks like we're moving from Crypto Island to DWAC Island. Oh, that's awesome. 100% up. That's good, Michael. Good morning, Kevin. Welcome, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you share the broadcast. We're going to take a look at is Shiba Inu minting new billionaires? Possibly. Let's see the first article. Here's how one crypto investor made more than $5 billion with Shiba Inu. And no, it's not Canadian dollars, it's US dollars. Let's see it. Altcoins challenging Bitcoin and Ethereum have taken the crypto world by storm. Throughout the past year, Dogecoin famously ran from 0.003 to more than 50 cents in less than 6 months. But now there's a new dog on the block. Shiba Inu is the breed of dog Dogecoin's famous meme is based on. So one savvy crypto creator established a coin called Shiba Inu. According to Coinbase, the all-time return for Shiba Inu is more than 5 million%. More than one trader took advantage of this run. Etherscan.io is a site that allows users to check the history and holdings of different crypto wallets. According to the site, one wallet purchased $8,000 worth of Shiba Inu in August of 2020. Today, that $8,000 worth of Shiba Inu became worth more than $5 billion. Man. Continue. This wallet bought roughly $8,000 of Shiba Inu last August. It's now worth $5.7 billion. From $8,000 to $5.7 in roughly 400 days. we may actually be looking at the greatest individual trade of all time. That's incredible. The wallet was last active 92 days ago. What happened? What did it do? Buy more Shiba. $5.7 billion. He owns 16% of the market cap of Shiba Inu. He or she. With $1,000 investment in January is worth $52 million. I know, it's crazy. I watched a video yesterday, and there was a gentleman there that was saying if you go to CoinMarketCap, can you guys actually pull that up? CoinMarketCap.com. I want to see if that's for real. Yeah, CoinMarketCap. So go to CoinMarketCap.com. So if you go to CoinMarketCap.com, go to the main page. So click on like the home button. Right there. Is that what comes up? Can you scroll up? That's weird. Go there and then go to trending. Is there one that says trending? Recently added. Biggest gainers and losers. Go to gainers and losers. No data available. Something's wrong with that thing. So if you pull it up, you should see like a trending page and the biggest gainers. And if you go to those, you'll be able to see where different tokens that are gaining in popularity. So obviously they need to have a small market cap, but have a good following online already. And that's how you can find the next Shiba Inu or the next whatever. So you put $100 in it, whatever. But that's what that guy was saying, how he found Shiba Inu, and he made, however much he did with that. But if you go to that one, to the trending, which ones are trending, and then the biggest gainers, you can take a look at those and see which ones of those you like. And if there's any that make sure they have a following online. So you can take a look at it, like Ryoshi token or whatever, Shiba Inu, and then go to Twitter and type in Ryoshi token or Shiba Inu and see if there's a following. And that's how you'll find the next Shiba, is what he said. I'm gonna have to check it out myself. Tiff, yes, I do. Yeah, James said Coinbase. Coinbase is a good one. Do any of you guys use Webull? You like it? It's busy. I mean, most of them are busy. Coinbase and Uphold are fairly simple. But yeah, then there's Webull. That one's a good one. Coinbase, Uphold, Webull. I use Qcoin as well. Crypto.com. Those are just a couple. Honest sell point for Shiba. I think I'm going to hold on till the bitter end. Yeah. I put... let's see where it's at right now. I'm up about more than 300%. About 320% on it so far. Usually this is the point where I would sell, but because there's still a ton of buzz around it, I'm gonna hold on. I'll probably try and get 1,000% out of it. Where did I buy it? It's like 0.00002 something. Is where I bought it, but I don't know. I'll probably hold it just because it's, you know, see if we can get it to a cent. Yeah, yesterday there was something wrong with Coinbase. But all the platforms have that every now and then. If there's a very busy day in cryptocurrencies, I can't access Qcoin either. There's, you know, have you guys experienced that with Webull? If there's like a super busy day, it's tough to get on the platform. No, not yet. So Webull, they haven't experienced. But the same with Robinhood. If there's a huge day in the market, like those meme stock days, it wouldn't even sign me in sometimes. I don't know if Shiba Inu is going to go that far. I mean, if Shiba Inu was to reach 1 cent, it would need a larger market cap than Bitcoin has right now. Bitcoin's market cap right now is $1.1 trillion. So it would need to, so Shiba Inu would need a market cap of over $1 trillion, which right now it's at 42 billion. So that's huge. You'd need to get some serious investors, institutions, and things like that involved. Coinbase, they haven't relisted XRP. That is true. They need to burn a lot of coins, yeah. Oh, it was because of the volume that it went down. James says it was because of the volume. I can see that because there's times when that has happened with Robinhood. There's times when that's happened with other platforms where because of the volume you couldn't get on. Usually, even with TD Ameritrade and Charles Schwab, I've realized that if there's a day where the market goes down, when the Dow Jones goes down, you know, 1,000 points, it'll take me, you know, 2, 3, 4 tries before it'll let me log on to the website. Can we look at that article about XRP possibly getting relisted? So here's an article that I found from Bitcoin News. This was from yesterday. I didn't get to it yesterday, but let's take a look at it. Yeah, Coinbase CEO says SEC versus Ripple case is going better than expected. Investors hopeful XRP will be relisted soon. Let's see it. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong says the SEC versus Ripple case seems to be going better than expected. He added that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is realizing that attacking crypto is politically unpopular. Coinbase CEO on the Ripple lawsuit, SEC attacking crypto. Who knows, maybe Brian Armstrong's watching Check the Market. If you are, make sure you share, like and share the broadcast. The CEO of the NASDAQ-listed cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase, Brian Armstrong, commented on the enforcement action against Ripple Labs by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission Monday, referencing a Forbes article titled, "The Crypto Uprising the SEC Didn't See Coming." The Ripple case seems to be going better than expected. Meanwhile, the SEC is realizing that attacking crypto is politically unpopular because it harms consumers. The irony is that the people that are supposedly protecting are the ones attacking them, the Coinbase boss added. That is true. Continue. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has made a similar statement regarding the SEC, noting that the regulator is refusing to provide a clear framework for crypto. Instead of working with the industry, the SEC is using their meetings with companies as lead generation for their enforcement actions. He added that many XRP holders have filed a class action lawsuit against the SEC, emphasizing these are the exact people the SEC is supposed to be protecting. Several people on Twitter expressed surprise to see Armstrong tweeting a positive comment about Ripple. Many took his statement as a bullish sign that the price of XRP will soon pump. Some people suspect that Coinbase may be relisting XRP soon. Sounds like Brian Armstrong and Coinbase should be getting ready to relist XRP. One person tweeted, however, some are still skeptical, arguing that Coinbase will not relist XRP until the lawsuit is over. Coinbase delisted XRP in January, soon after the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs and its executives, CEO Garlinghouse and the co-founder Chris Larsen. The Nasdaq-listed company itself recently ran into trouble with the Securities and Exchange watchdog when it tried to launch a lending program. The exchange discussed the product with the SEC, but was threatened with legal action if it proceeded with the launch. This caused Coinbase to shelve the product. And then I found another that goes along with that, another interesting article. XRP did go to 99 cents. I should have waited one or two more hours. I could have got it for 2 cents cheaper. Yeah, that was overnight at one point, wasn't it, Michael? Where it skyrocketed. I got up in the morning and there was like a huge spike in my XRP. Pull up the article of the banks. There's one from banks getting into crypto lending, something like that. Because I thought that was interesting that they're going after SEC for they're going after Coinbase for crypto lending, but they're trying to have they're working with banks to do that very same thing, just regular brick and mortar banks like JP Morgan and Bank of America, which shows me that there might be some maybe a little bit of playing favorites, possibly some corruption, who knows. Did I send it to you? Okay. Not that one. It's the hold on. Title is Federal Reserve, FDIC, OCC discuss allowing banks to hold crypto on balance sheets. Okay. Morning, Doug. So Federal Reserve, FDIC, OCC discussing allowing banks to hold crypto on balance sheets. Continue. A group of U.S. banking regulators is working on how banks can be allowed to offer crypto services and hold cryptocurrencies on their balance sheets. The chairman of the FDIC said, if we don't bring this activity inside the banks, it's going to develop outside of the banks. The federal regulators won't be able to regulate it. Yeah, that's the whole point of it. The U.S. regulators to set clear rules for banks to deal with crypto. Jelena McWilliams, the chairman of the FDIC, told Reuters in an interview at a fintech conference Monday that a team of U.S. bank regulators is working on providing a roadmap for banks to engage with crypto assets. Might as well be. The team comprises the FDIC, the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, Federal Reserve Vice Chair of Supervision Randall Quarles, revealed the collaboration between the three U.S. regulators in May. McWilliams said on a conference panel, continue, gangs and banks, yep. My goal in this interagency group is to basically provide a path for banks to be able to act as a custodian of these assets, use crypto assets, digital assets as some form of collateral. Which, that is interesting. At some point in time, we're going to tackle how and under what circumstances bank can hold them on their balance sheet. While establishing clear rules for banks to provide custody services is easy, the FDIC boss explained that it's difficult to figure out how to allow a volatile asset to be used as collateral and included on bank balance sheets. She was quoted as saying, "Valuation of these assets and the fluctuation in their value that can be almost on a daily basis. You have to decide what kind of capital and liquidity treatment to allocate to such balance sheet holdings." So what they're saying is that they don't want people that have cryptocurrency holdings like in Coinbase to be able to loan those out to be used, for whatever. But what they do want to do is they want to have the banks to be able to hold cryptocurrencies, or for you to be able to deposit your cryptocurrency into a bank and then borrow against your cryptocurrency. They don't want you acting as the bank. They want to be acting as the bank. So they're scrambling. I think that's interesting. This is going to continue to develop outside of the banks, and I think that's a good thing. They have to play catch up at this point. Continue. The OCC, under the leadership of Brian Brooks, clarified in June 2020 that national banks and federal savings associations can provide cryptocurrency custody services for customers. However, Brooks has resigned, and the new acting comptroller of the currency, Michael Su, has requested a review of the cryptocurrency standards established by the OCC prior to him taking office. I think that we need to allow banks in this space while appropriately managing and mitigating risk. If we don't bring this activity inside the banks, it's going to develop outside the banks. The federal regulators won't be able to regulate it. So we need to bring cryptocurrency inside the banks. Otherwise, the banks are going to go broke. Competition is good for crypto. Yes, absolutely. But I want to be able to lend out my crypto if I want to. Next. Rent the Runway CEO says company growth is accelerating ahead of IPO. So they IPO'd yesterday. Rent the Runway. I know that that's been mentioned on here before. Let's see where they're at right now. Ooh. Is that correct? Can you guys pull up the chart on your end? I don't think mine's correct. RENT. Down 1.3% today. It pulled up now. Yeah. So it opened up yesterday at over $23, around, what's that, almost $24. And now it's down to $19.20. Let's see the article. Is Shiba good? I think Shiba's a gamble, to be honest with you. But I put some money in it just to see where it goes, because there's some serious hype around it. Exactly. Doug, you hit the nail on the head there. That I'm not going to let banks hold my crypto so they can lend it out and not give me anything in return, or hold my crypto so I can borrow against it and then pay interest. No, I'm not doing that. I would rather be the one to lend out my crypto and get the interest on it. Fashion rental company Rent the Runway is set to begin trading on the NASDAQ Wednesday under the ticker symbol RENT. We've built this business from a single dress in a single situation to a full closet in the cloud that women use for every situation. Rent the Runway co-founder and CEO Jennifer Hyman said Wednesday on CNBC's Squawk Box. Rent the Runway's mission is to disrupt the multi-trillion-dollar fashion industry and provide the world's first and largest shared designer closet. We've been able to do that while empowering women to feel their best every day. Rent the Runway's subscriber numbers have recovered from COVID-19 lows. The company's subscriber count is nearly back to 100% of where it was at the end of 2019. It's become a much more diversified subscriber base, according to Hyman. Continue. We continue to experience fantastic momentum. Women did not have to return to the office to return to Rent the Runway. 90% of our customers continue to work from home, but we've experienced this momentum where we are back up to 2019 levels. Rent the Runway's revenue grew 39% from the first quarter to the second quarter, and the company is experiencing similar momentum now. Rent the Runway is an online fashion platform that incorporates subscription model, allowing its customers to rent clothing and accessories from designer brands. Fashion rental company priced its IPO at $21 per share. The stock opened up over $23 when it started yesterday. So we'll see what happens there. I'm not going to be investing in this one, but if you would like to. Yes, I think Shiba Inu is a pump and dump. Because there's, I don't know. Physical silver and gold, absolutely. I think physical silver and gold is always a good investment. It's good to have that. I buy a little bit of silver every single month. Continue. Microsoft could overtake Apple as the most valued company following a stellar first quarter. Let's see it. Microsoft Corporation shares rallied strongly Wednesday, riding on the back of blockbuster quarterly results. Number one position in market cap is within sight for Microsoft. The rally increased Microsoft's market cap to $2.426 trillion, which was slightly below the tech giant's Apple market cap of $2.461 trillion. Microsoft has 7.513 billion shares outstanding compared to Apple's 16.53. Pre-market trading in the shares now show modest gains for both companies, provided Microsoft shares can sustain the earnings-induced momentum and Apple lags due to anxiety ahead of its earnings release due after the close today. Redmond could reclaim leadership in market valuation. Continue. Microsoft and Apple have switched ranks as the most valuable companies a few times in the past after Cupertino held the top spot as the global company with the highest market cap for about 8 years. Microsoft wrested the lead, although briefly in late 2018. At that time, the two companies had market caps of a little over $800 billion. What's fueling Microsoft rally? Microsoft's first quarter results, though showcasing broad-based strength, were propped up primarily by cloud momentum. Microsoft results speak to a cloud party that is still in the middle of innings of playing out for Microsoft. Wedbush analyst Daniel Ives said in a note reviewing the quarterly results, apart from commercial cloud, Windows is also exceeded expectations in the quarter. These results and stronger guidance will be enough to move the stock much higher into 2022. Microsoft is one that we had on our list to research. We'll go to the next one. Saitama, I'll have to look at that one. Satyama. Let me put it on my list and take a look at it. Where do you buy SafeMoon? Steph, where do you buy SafeMoon? Behind the Walmart? You need to get... SafeMoon has an app? They do? So what, you need to go to MetaMask and swap Ethereum or whatever for SafeMoon? Through Trust Wallet? Okay. So it's, yeah. I don't know if I would buy SafeMoon. I would put it into XRP or... I would put it into Doge before I put it into SafeMoon. I would probably just take the mouse on my... go to, you know, a list of cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap and just swipe my finger on the mouse of my computer and see where it lands. And that would be probably just as good as SafeMoon. Yeah, MetaMask and PancakeSwap, it's those are platforms where you can swap your cryptocurrency into one or the other. No, I mean that's, yeah. I don't think SafeMoon is going anywhere. The hype has died down on it. Everybody's like, man, Dave Portnoy really, you know, scammed me on this one. Oh, you can buy directly on the SafeMoon app now. Zubin says you can buy directly on the SafeMoon app. If you really want to get into SafeMoon. Jess, you like SDIG. Jessica likes SDIG. Stronghold Digital Mining. We'll take a look at it. Jess, did you get into that one? Oh, there's a SafeMoon wallet and you can trade other cryptocurrencies on there. Interesting. SafeMoon is on Megalis.com. Continue. Oh, there we go. Shiba Inu is now bigger than Robinhood, Etsy, and Pinterest. Let's see it. Meme coin Shiba Inu shot up nearly 70% over 24 hours, leading to press time late Wednesday to become the 9th largest token by market cap, as per CoinGecko. This remarkable spurt of growth means it now enjoys a market cap larger than some familiar names. Shiba traded 69.5% higher at 0.00008221 over 24 hours. For the week, the self-described Dogecoin killer has shot up 181.5%. On Wednesday, Shiba charted a new high of 0.008299 and at press time was trading 0.7% lower at that level as per CoinGecko. Shiba has soared 1,083% over the last 30 days. The coin currently enjoys a market cap of $40.76 billion. Continue. Zubin, you make a very good point there. Make your profits on the meme coins and then put your profits into better cryptocurrencies. There isn't a one-stop safe place for all yet, but I'm sure that they are working. I know Robinhood is working on getting, you know, more cryptocurrencies, and Webull you can trade stocks too, right? So Webull might be the one that you're looking for, Sandra, because you can trade stocks on there. Yeah, a lot of those different ones. I mean, Uphold I think is the only one, or one of the only ones. I know I can buy it on Qcoin. I can buy it on Uphold XRP. I don't think it's too late to buy the Doge killer. Put a couple $100 in it, see how it goes. Steph, where can I buy penny stocks that aren't available on Webull and Robinhood? TD Ameritrade, Fidelity. Yeah. Portnoy is worth $1 billion now? Wow. He took everybody's safe moon and is now worth $1 billion. Safe moon on Crypto Island. Check the news, crypto coin. We should.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Kishu Inu and Shiba Inu are coming to Robinhood. I heard November 1st, Zubin, is what they said. So it'll be interesting to see because it's probably going to crank while it's on Robinhood a little bit, and then it's going to go down. Next Transport says buy more Shiba Inu and hold. Better crypto, I would say Ethereum, Bitcoin. I would say cryptocurrency that has utility that goes beyond just, hype. So Cardano, XRP, XLM, cryptocurrency companies that have contracts with companies and use it in real world applications, like XLM with MoneyGram, XRP working with different central banks to create CBDCs, and then Bitcoin as a store of value, because a lot of investors are using it as a form of like digital gold, basically. And then Ethereum, a lot of different currencies, NFTs are based on the Ethereum blockchain, so I think that has utility. That's what I would refer to as better cryptocurrency. There's a cryptocurrency that has a utility that's beyond just hyping it up on Twitter. I've heard a lot about Matic recently. Crypto Island boys have to be part of Fauci gain of function gone wrong. Does make you think. I'm going to be honest with you. A lot of this cryptocurrency stuff is beyond me too. I'm still researching it. I'm about a year into it and I'm still learning. Robinhood list Shiba Inu will lose 2 zeros. I don't know if it'll go down by that much, but because you're probably still gonna hype it for a little bit. But I think once it lists on Robinhood and there's some hype with people buying it on Robinhood, I'm gonna get out soon after that. I want to be ahead of the curve. How many zeros do I think we'll lose? I'm not quite sure. I think it's going to go the way of Doge, where there's some hype and it's going to go back down and eventually people are going to hype it up again. I'm glad you got it, Sandra. All right, let's go over some stocks to research. Low risk, this is a stock that I bought some of today. Caterpillar just came out with earnings, CAT. And they had a pretty good earnings results. And so I bought in this morning. I haven't looked if my order filled where I wanted it to, but I put half of the allocation that I wanted to put in it. I put into CAT, and I'm going to wait to see if there's another dip down, then I'll put it in. And if not, then I'm just going to leave this investment in it. But Caterpillar, I've mentioned that before. I mentioned it last month. I was looking at it, so I pulled the trigger on it. They had good earnings, and I think they'll continue to have good earnings because I think eventually miners are going to have to increase their capacity. Caterpillar is the world's largest producer of earth-moving equipment, as well as a major manufacturer of mining and construction equipment, electric power generators, and petroleum natural gas engines. So that's, they've got a dividend yield in the 2%, and I think that company's a good investment. Caterpillar is always a good, solid company. And so that is in my long-term low-risk investments, Caterpillar CAT. Medium risk, TCBI. TCBI. Texas Capital Bank Shares. It's a bank holding and financial holding company. The company is the parent of Texas Capital Bank. It offers products and services to business customers and individual customers. So basically, they do everything from lines of credit to business loans to regular savings and checking accounts, wealth management. They do it all. So TCBI, this is a stock that I was made aware of on Wall Street Bets. There was a guy there who posted about it, and he had a pretty good dissertation, and I liked what he had to say, so I looked at it for myself yesterday. And it's a pretty solid bank in Texas, currently valued at a discount compared to most other banks, financial institutions. They're a pretty solid bank with growth in assets and decline in debt that the bank owns. They've had a slight decline in debt issued as well, but the debt that the bank owns itself is fairly low. It's trading closer to book value and has had some insider buying recently. Income was down last year, but that was due to some unforeseen expenses from the pandemic. This could be a good buy if you're looking for some financials to add to your portfolio. TCBI, let me take a look where it's trading at. TCBI. 59.87, it's up about 2.89% today. It had a previous high of 93.26. I think that this bank could do fairly well. So TCBI, take a look at it, see if you're looking to buy a company in the financial sector to add to your portfolio. Take a look at TCBI. And then high risk, and let me take a look, see if they're actually cranking still, because this morning they were. Ooh, they're coming back down. And keep a look at it. Keep an eye on it anyway. So it's IFRX, Inflarx NV, IFRX. It's a biotechnology company based in Germany that is creating monoclonal antibody treatments. It just got a huge upgrade from Raymond James Financial. Its closing price yesterday was $286. It was up to $435 this morning pre-market when I looked at it. And Raymond James gave it a price target of $14, which is huge. So this could be a good quick money maker for you today. It's at $396 today. It has huge volume today. 42.85 million. It had 22 million yesterday in volume, and the average 10-day is 2.25 million. So that's, what's that, 20x the volume on it today. So take a look at it, see if that's something that you'd be interested in, either playing it, just today or even a long-term investment. So you can research that company, IFRX, InflaRx. So it's currently trading at $396. Raymond James gave it a price target of $14. If it does hit that, that would be a good gain, especially if all the drugs that the company produces are approved. So IFRX for high risk, IFRX, medium risk TCBI, and then low risk CAT, CAT. ARCB and APPS. I'll take a look at those. So those were the stocks to research for today. If you'd like to invest in Revival today, we've got a great giveaway going on right now for Check the Market. We've got our Crypto Island shirt, because we're all on that Crypto Island.
Crypto Island, I'm just trying to make it. I'm a Crypto Island, trying to make it. I'm a Crypto Island.
Biotech Island in Germany. I don't like it. So yeah, welcome to Crypto Island. We included Doug too with a Bitcoin tattoo on his face. So there you have it. For your gift, investment of any size today, we'll send that to you. And you can do so doing hashtag donate on Facebook and the amount. You can text RT to 50155. Cash App, $RTGive. Venmo at RTGive. RevivalToday.com/PayPal if you'd like to give by PayPal. We also accept cryptocurrencies.
Crypto Island, Crypto Island. I'm just trying to make it. I'm a Crypto Island, trying to make it. I'm a Crypto Island.
So if you scan that code right there, you can donate cryptocurrencies. And if you'd like to give any other cryptocurrencies, such as SafeMoon, I'm not going to say no. You can call our office at 412-446-2332. Or you can send us a check, Revival Today, P.O. Box 7, Prosperity, Pennsylvania, 15329. And don't forget to claim your offer, which is the Crypto Island shirt with our favorite island boys on it. Boys with a Z. I agree with you, Zubin. I think that Bitcoin will go up to 100,000. We're going to see that soon. Yes, that is me on the shirt. So we'll send that to you as a thank you. Make sure that you tune back in at 11 a.m. for our Revival Today live broadcast. And then at 4 p.m. live with Maddie. 10 p.m. check the news. Morning prayer, 7:30 a.m. with Evangelist Kofi. And then we won't have Check the Market tomorrow. I have an appointment tomorrow morning, so I won't be able to make it. But I will see you all on Monday. Have a great day. Go out there and make some money today. And I will see you all on Monday.
Fly me to the moon.